The number one piece of advice I often share with my clients is the view that anxiety is always about something that's happening in the future. What if I don't pass this test? What if I don't get this job offer I want? A lot of times we focus a lot of our negative energy on that. The piece of advice I often give is, instead of focusing our energy on that, what would it be like to focus on something that's more within our own control? Something that we can change right now in the present. I think a common myth about anxiety I often help teens debunk is this idea that they're the only ones who are going through something, that no one has had an experience like theirs. But one of the more powerful things I think about what we do here at AI is group therapy, and the fact that you can have someone's peers who can sit there and say, like, hey, like, I'm going through something that you're going through too. Even though it's not exactly the same, we can still have this common understanding, and maybe we can help each other through this. I think all the counselors here are great, but I think it's also so powerful to have other peers, other teens here who can help people who are going through something with their anxiety or going through some form of crisis. One thing that's unique about my approach and what we do here at AI is the power of the exposures we do. It's something that's really unique. It's a proven method that I think allows clients to, instead of avoiding their anxiety or feeling like they need to suppress or ignore it, allowing them to almost confront it and sit with it. And instead of saying, like, I need to avoid this feeling, I need to hide from it, saying, like, I can feel this and I can go and still live an authentic life, live my life the way I wanted to, and be truly genuine to themselves.